Hello and welcome to another video. This is medium level questions for linear inequalities in two variables. I, okay. Okay, let's begin. Which of the ordered pairs -1, 2, and 5, 4 satisfy the inequality? So I'm going to plug in both pairs and see which satisfy. 1 over -1 plus 4 over 2 is greater than 1 over 3 minus 5 over -1. Is something that I should do on my calculator. -1 plus 2, that gives me 1. Is that greater than 1 over 3 plus 5? No, that's not greater than 16 over 3. So the first pair doesn't satisfy. So -1 and 2 is cancelled out. Let's see 5 and 4. So 1 over 5 plus 4 over 4 is greater than 1 over 3 minus 5 over 5. Okay, so 1 over 5 plus 1 is greater than 1 over 3 minus 1. Yes, that sounds about right. It should be greater. So -1, 2 satisfies the inequality. Oh, oh, sorry, 5, 4. I picked out the wrong answer, but that's what it should be. Okay. Then it says Mr. Alex bought 4 kgs of bananas, 3 kgs of apples, and said that the amount of not more than this inequality. So 4 bananas, which is x. Okay, and I think apples should be y, although this doesn't mention. This should be less than or equals to 120. If I am correct with the variables, that should work. Yes, that is working. Next question says 4x over 32 plus 3y over 8 minus 1 is greater than or equals to 5. Then what is the minimum of x plus 3y? Okay, let's try to solve this. This becomes x over 8 plus 3y over 8 when I reduce this, and this becomes greater than or equals to 6 when I take 1 to the other side. X plus 3y is the common denominator, has a common denominator 8, so x plus 3y should be greater than or equals to 48. Okay, that is again the correct answer. Which ordered pair is not a solution to the inequality? So x minus 3y is less than or equals to 5. I'll have to plug in each of the answer options. 5 minus 3 times 0 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, that's correct. Is 4 minus 3 times 1 less than or equals to 5? Yes, that is also correct. Is 4 minus 3 times minus 1 is less than or equals to 5? So 7 is not less than or equals to 5, so this is not a solution. Okay. And the last one, right, this is the simplest form, so I can take a 2 common from the first inequality and say that this is 2x plus y is less than 2. So 2x plus y should be less than 1. Okay. So I'm talking about answer option this, I think. And then x plus 2y, I see common denominator 3, 4 over 12. X plus 2y is greater than 1. Okay, that works. Both of the inequalities are correct. Let's go on to more medium level questions. The first one says 1 is less than or equals to this. Okay, so this is a set of two inequalities. The first one is 3x plus half y. Okay, what does it say? It says that I need to find out the values of 6x plus y. So what I should just think of is how do I convert this into my desired form of the inequality? So that's simply 2 times all of the sides of the inequality, because I want to create 6x plus y in the center. So I have 2 is less than or equals to 6x plus y is less than or equals to 16. So between 2 and 16 is equivalent. Which of the following is equivalent to the inequality of the term 6x plus y? I don't know why this is still appearing as 8, although I should take, yep, I'm not sure what the other reasoning should be. Why hasn't the other side multiplied with? Okay, so I mistakenly converted 4 to 8. That's what has happened. Okay. Okay, moving on. I have a set of inequalities. Solve the system algebraically to find the solution set, the values of x and y. that satisfy both inequalities? This is sort of a tough question. Let's see what we can do about this. If I solve this algebraically, I can find a corner solution to this, and I need something in terms of x and y. Why don't I combine the two inequalities? I can't even combine that. Okay, let's think. Okay, so I could generate one of these conditions in the answers from one of these inequalities. I could say that if I can see that there's a 20 involved, which means that there was a common denominator 20 in the second inequality. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my pen. So x over 4, so 20 minus 4x minus 5y less than 1 over 3. So 4x minus 5y is less than 20 over 3. So 4x is less than 20 over 3 plus 5y. That gives me, I've written this the other way around. This should be 5x and 4y. Let me just cancel that now. Okay, let's do that again. X over, that's 5x minus 4y is less than 1 over 3. 5x minus 4y is less than 20 over 3. 5x is less than 20 over 3 plus 4y. So is less than 320 plus 12y. And x is less than 20 plus 12y is less over 15. Okay, so that sounds like a reasonable answer. Let's see which one is giving you that. If the last one is giving you that, that should be your final answer, and you don't need to do anything else. Okay, let's move on to this question. It says determine which of the ordered pairs is a solution set. So again, I can plug in the numbers. 2 is greater than 7 plus root 2 into 0. 2 is greater than 7. No, that's not true. So 1 can't be an answer option. So 2 is greater than 7 plus root 2 into 2. That also sounds weird. So neither 1 nor 2. Okay, what is the maximum value of this? So I need to create this expression. Okay, 2x plus 3y plus 6 is less than or equals to 5. 2x plus 3y is less than or equals to minus 1. And if I want to create this expression, I'll have to divide everything by 2. So I get x plus 3 upon 2y is less than or equals to minus half. Then what is the maximum value? So the maximum value is minus half. Okay. Then what is the interval notation for x plus y? Okay, so x plus y is less than or equals to 4 divided by 2. That's the first inequality that I have. For the next inequality, 2x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 9 divided by 3. So x plus 2y is greater than, or 2x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 3. If I factor out a 2, I get 3 over 2 on the other side. So it has to be greater than or equals to 3 over 2, but less than 2. So that should be the correct answer option. A round bracket for not included. Okay, I think there are going to be more medium level questions. Let's see. We got one of these wrong, so I think that should be it. Let's quickly go through them. I remember the answers and just breezing through the answers. And I think that was the correct answer option, although I'll have to check. 2x plus y is less than 1, and x plus 2y is greater than 1. That was the correct answer option. Okay, that levels up. I will see you with the next level in the next session. Thank you for watching.